Imagine hiking deep into the wilderness with nothing but your backpack to rely on. What if that pack could carry everything you need, stay comfortable for miles, and even adapt to your adventure? Today, we're diving into 20 essential survival backpacks built for hiking and outdoor adventures. And trust me, some of these designs will make you rethink what a backpack can do. Stick around, because you don't want to miss these game changers. And hey, if you love discovering next-level outdoor gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a drop. Let's kick things off with the Osprey Atmos AG65. If comfort is king on the trail, this pack wears the crown. Its standout feature is the anti-gravity suspension system that literally feels like it's hugging your back, distributing weight so evenly that even heavy loads feel lighter. With 65 liters of storage, it's a dream for multi-day hikes where gear adds up. Plus, it has easy access pockets, an adjustable harness, and a ventilated mesh back panel that keeps you cool when the sun cranks up the heat. It takes the strain out of long treks. And if you've ever carried a pack that felt like bricks, you know how priceless that is. Next up is the REI Co-op Flash 55. A lightweight backpack that doesn't compromise on capability. It's designed for hikers who want efficiency without giving up smart features. At just over 2.5 pounds, it's feather light, but still manages to pack in 55 liters of space. The removable components let you shave even more weight when needed, lets you customize storage with attachment points and pockets exactly where you want them. It's like Lego for backpacking, flexible, fun, and built to match your personal hiking style. Then there's the Gregory Paragon 58. This one is all about balance, big enough for extended trips, but built with a slim profile that makes it super agile. The free float suspension system lets the hip belt move with your body, meaning you're not fighting against your pack with every step. It has 58 liters of organized space, a full-length side zipper for easy gear access, and a breathable back panel that feels great when the miles add up. Gregory even designed it with eco-friendly materials, so you can explore the planet without weighing too heavy on it. Whether you're climbing switchbacks or trekking rocky trails, the Paragon 58 is built to move with you, not against you. The Hyperlite Mountain Gear 3400 Southwest is built for serious ultralight hikers who want to shave every ounce without sacrificing durability. Made from Dyneema composite fabrics, it's waterproof, tough, and practically tear-proof. With 55 liters of space, it's surprisingly roomy, while still weighing just around 2 pounds. The roll-top closure keeps your gear protected from rain, and the side pockets are perfect for water bottles or quick access essentials. This is the kind of pack thru hikers swear by because it blends minimal weight with maximum toughness. A true go-to for long-distance adventures where reliability is everything. Next, the BCiche waterproof backpack for camping is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on practicality. Designed with waterproof materials, it keeps your essentials dry during sudden downpours or river crossings. It's lightweight, foldable, and still manages to provide multiple compartments for organized storage. Think of it as your all-weather friend. It may not be flashy, but it's dependable and perfect for weekend trips, travel, or casual outdoor adventures. Plus, it's priced in a way that makes it an easy addition to your gear without breaking the bank. Sometimes the simplest packs are the ones you end up grabbing most often. Then there's the Teton Sports Outfitter 4600 Ultralight Backpack. This beast is designed for long expeditions and heavy loads. With a massive 75-liter capacity, it's perfect for carrying everything from tents and sleeping bags to cooking gear. The internal frame adds stability, and its adjustable torso system makes it customizable for a comfortable fit, no matter your size. It also comes with multiple compression straps, gear loops, and compartments for organization. If you're someone who likes to bring along a little extra, or you're prepping for extended wilderness survival, this pack has the space and support to handle it. The Sunpack backpack with removable solar charger is like carrying a portable power station on your back. Designed with a detachable solar panel, it lets you charge your phone, GPS, or camera while you're out in the wild. That means no more worrying about dead batteries when you're far from civilization. The pack itself is lightweight and practical with multiple compartments to keep your gear organized. Imagine hiking all day and arriving at camp with a fully charged phone. That's the kind of peace of mind this backpack delivers. Perfect for digital nomads, adventurers, or anyone who likes staying powered up in the middle of nowhere. Next is the Layback Pack backpack with integral camp bed, a mind-blowing invention that combines your backpack and your bed in one. At first glance, it looks like a regular pack, but once you set up camp, it transforms into a reclining bed complete with padding. This saves you from carrying a separate bulky sleep system while giving you comfort at night. It's perfect for minimalist campers or survivalists who want to cut down on gear, but not on comfort. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of backpacks, carrying all your essentials by day and sleep soundly by night. Then we have the Kabuto, the trunk and expandable backpack. This one blends survival with travel smarts. It's expandable, transforming from a sleek daily pack into a large capacity hauler when you need more room. The hard shell design makes it incredibly durable, protecting your gear from impacts and weather. It even has a built-in fingerprint lock for added security. Because who says the wilderness can't have high-tech solutions? Whether you're on a hiking trip, flying overseas, the Superpack folded backpack is all about versatility. At first, it looks like a compact sling bag, but it unfolds into a full-size backpack in seconds. Perfect for travelers and hikers who want options, it gives you both a minimalist carry and a full gear hauler in one. The design is sleek, lightweight, and highly practical, with enough compartments to stay organized on the go. It's like having two backpacks in one, ideal for survivalists who want flexibility without carrying extra bulk. Whether you're in the city or on the trail, this pack adapts to your needs instantly. Next up is the Levante waterproof modular daily backpack. This is a backpack built for customization. Its modular design lets you add or remove compartments depending on your adventure. Need more space? Add a module. Just heading out for a quick day trip? Strip it back down. It's completely waterproof, making it perfect for unpredictable weather and survival conditions. The modern, tactical look gives it an edge, and the smart organization means you won't be digging around when you need something fast. If you've ever wished your backpack could change with your plans, the Levante is your answer. Then there's the Ultima 22 Packable backpack. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little beast packs in 10 unique features, from anti-theft zippers to water-resistant fabric and ergonomic straps. It folds down small enough to stash in another bag, but opens up to become a fully functional day pack. Survivalists love it because it's always there as a backup bag, weighing next to nothing but offering serious utility when you need it. The Kincase Anti-Cut backpack is designed for those who want maximum security in both the city and the wilderness. Made from ultra-tough, cut-resistant materials, it protects against theft attempts while also standing up to the rigors of the outdoors. The design includes hidden zippers, weatherproof fabric, and smart compartments that make organizing easy. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or trekking in unpredictable terrain, this backpack gives you peace of mind that your essentials are safe. It's like having armor for your gear, durable, stylish, and built for survival. Next is the 24/7 Orion backpack, a completely customizable pack that lets you configure it exactly how you want. Think modular panels, swappable sections, and pockets that can be rearranged to fit your style of adventure. Whether you need a compact commuter pack or a full-on survival loadout, the Orion adapts on demand. Its weather-resistant build and rugged materials make it reliable in harsh conditions, while the customization means you never feel limited. For survivalists who want a backpack that grows and changes with their needs, the Orion is a serious game changer. Then we've got the Taskin Denali, an adaptable carry-on travel system that doubles as a survival pack. At first glance, it's sleek and travel-ready, but its expandable design reveals serious space for gear when you need it. The Denali features modular packing cubes, weatherproof fabric, and a versatile structure that works just as well for wilderness trips as it does for airport travel. It's one of those rare packs that blurs the line between urban convenience and outdoor toughness. If you want one bag that can handle both worlds, the Taskin Denali has your back. And coming up next, packs that fold, expand, and even keep your food cold while you're off-grid. The Wanaka Packable Daypack and Adapt. Adventure System is more than just a backpack. It's a full-on adventure toolkit. It packs down small enough to fit inside another bag, but when expanded, it offers a roomy and rugged day pack ready for hikes, kayaking, or even snowboarding trips. What makes it special is its adapt system, interchangeable accessories and add-ons that let you transform it depending on your activity. It's waterproof, versatile, and built for people who like their gear to work as hard as they do. Whether you're chasing rivers or mountain trails, Wanaka adapts right alongside you. Next up is the Lithely Frozen Pack, which might just blow your mind. It's the world's first backpack that doubles as a portable fridge. Using a detachable battery system, it can actively cool your food and drinks while you're off-grid. Imagine setting up camp and pulling out fresh, chilled supplies straight from your bag. Beyond the built-in cooling, it's still a rugged backpack with weatherproof materials. For survivalists, it's not just comfort. It can be life-saving, keeping food fresh on long treks where resources are scarce. It's the definition of futuristic outdoor survival gear. Then we have the Uenta Daypack, a lightweight yet highly secure backpack designed for both everyday carry and rugged exploration. Built with weatherproof fabrics and anti-theft features like hidden zippers and lockable compartments, it keeps your essentials safe whether you're in the city or on the trail. Its packable design means you can fold it down into a small pouch when not in use, making it a fantastic backup bag for survival kits. The Uenta proves that a backpack doesn't need to be huge to be tough. It's a compact guardian for your most important gear. The Era backpack is built with sleek minimalism, but packs in high-tech function. Designed for urban survivalists and outdoor adventurers alike, it uses durable, weatherproof materials that keep your gear safe from rain, dust, and rough handling. Inside, it's all about smart organization, with compartments tailored for both electronics and outdoor essentials. Its slim, modern profile makes it perfect for city life, while its toughness ensures it can handle backcountry trips too. The Era proves that survival gear doesn't need to look bulky or tactical. It can be stylish and stealthy while still being adventure-ready. Finally, the Taskin Explorer takes adaptability to another level. This carry-on wheeled backpack is designed to transition from airports to rugged terrain without missing a beat. With its expandable compartments, you can switch between a compact travel bag and a full-sized adventure hauler. The all-terrain wheels make rolling it over city streets or dirt trails effortless, while the weatherproof fabric keeps your gear safe from the elements. It's built for explorers who don't want to compromise between comfort, capacity, and toughness. Whether you're traveling abroad or setting up camp in the wild, the Taskin Explorer is ready for it all. Which one of these would you trust on your next adventure? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trek Gear, because the right backpack doesn't just carry your gear, it carries your survival